came down here for one reason, like literally. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Say hi. Hi. What you doing? It's not too often I get to ride around with my Husky in the truck. I know a lot of you guys probably haven't seen the Husky or even know that I had a Husky. We've got 3 other dogs, but this is Saint. Say hi, Saint. Hey, what you doing, buddy? He's just chilling. Oh, it's cold as f. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel.
What's going on?
There's a bunch of people on the other side of the 18-wheeler. Say hello.
What's going on?
Ford.
It's Josh.
Josh, what's up? Hello. We're all rolling out to a truck meet. We got about a 45-minute drive. It's cold as f. I'm gonna say it so many times today, but it's cold as shit. And I want you guys to feel it at home. Feel it at home how cold it is. We're gonna leave now. Let's get some rollers. This meet is ridiculous. So we drove about 45 minutes to Rome, and I'd say there's at least about 100 trucks here. But I'm super excited because I came down here for one reason, like literally. I came down here for one reason.
What's up, bro?
And he's literally sending the hell out of it for me. This is my favorite truck in Atlanta right now, and I'm humbly in front of him watching the whole time. My favorite truck in Atlanta by far. I know so my buddy JW just got a brand new 2020 Denali. It's a 5-inch rough country on some like 37s, I think. And I love the GMCs, but when I see this, the Silverados all fucking day long. And especially I love, this is growing on me, like this right here, how it's got the the L and the, I fuck with that. I love it so much. 7 to 9, set it, is it 8 or 9?
So basically what we found out when I was talking to him, 9 in the back, it's in that 10.5 in the front right now.
All right, 10.5 in the front, 9 in the back, FTS lift kit, powder coated copper, which I think is really freaking nice. I mean, literally all the extensions, all the spacers, I mean, everything. It's just such a, whoever did this did a beautiful job. Beautiful, beautiful job. We got the FTS lift kit, probably some 26x16 American Forces on some 37s. High country, big Duramax. I mean, literally, it does not get any better than this. We got the copper track bars, 1-piece spike lug nuts, the beautiful chrome dual reservoir shocks. And what are y'all doing over there? Wheel lights, bullet antenna. I'm sure we got tint. I know he told me he's got 112 in it right now. This is the top of the top. If I had a dream truck, this is it. Now, I fuck with the Duramax, but I don't know, I like gas trucks. I like gas trucks. But don't get me wrong, this is like literally, if I had a dream truck, if I had like all the money in the world, this is it. Like, this is what I would do. So y'all need to stop, go follow my man on Instagram, show some fucking love. This truck is beautiful. It was done beautifully. and you got, just show some love. Hey, y'all need to watch out. I would watch out. Hell yeah. Let's get this bread, baby. Oh, he's gonna go around us now. He's gonna go around us. Hey, we got it. We got it.
Hey, don't get the fence.
Hey, y'all come over here.
Hey, come here, come here, come here, come here. Oh, over here. Hey, wait, wait, go back over here.
Don't ever around us.
He's an asshole right here.
Oh, fuck yeah, dude.
Hey, he said he's gonna do it again.
Send it with us. All right, hey, I'm dipping up. We're dipping after this, okay?
All right.
Oh, shit. I got the big fucking stuff back here. No, we're going other side, other side. Hey, we're dipping after this, straight up. All right. Yeah, get in, get in.
Hey, we're gonna have to leave after this.
It is too warm. Yes, sir. All right.
Oh, fucking.
All right, we're leaving.
How am I dizzy from doing donuts?
Hey, boom.
hey, we met this way. We just keep it going, I guess.
All
shit.
Right. All right, let's go to cars, boy.
All right. Oh shit. Oh. I thought I was gonna fall out.